Welcome to ATeck. Today we will discuss that how to hide WhatsApp status, how to show WhatsApp status and how to mute our contacts. So first of all, open WhatsApp account. On top you can see three dots, click it. Then you can see three options, so select second one, status and privacy. So here you can see my contacts. So if you check it, your status will be shown to all your contacts. On second you can see my contacts accept. So if you will check it, you can mute some friends to whom you don't want to show your status, and you can uncheck it or check it. So on third you can see only share with. Here you can select the contacts to whom you want to show your status. So in this way you can select your contacts to whom you want to show your status or to whom you want to block.